nice, and then she would turn back because she was really nice. But then the witch was Boo, but it really wasn't the witch. It was just Boo that was the witch.
Right.
She was just white.
She gotten old. Yeah.
Yeah. You got old.
Yeah.
So she was wanted to be a witch. A mean witch, not a nice witch. That
Are there nice witches?
That Pete and Mickey Mouse, it was Boo that was the witch. She turned into a other witch that was a boy. She turned into a boy. So she decided to be a boy because a big mistake happened on Monsters Inc.
In Monsters, Inc.
You could let in a draft?
I totally agree with all this. I wanted to ask you, though, are there good witches? Who's like a good witch? No, you're not a witch. I'm sorry, what are you trying to say?
Are you ready to sing now? I think that's a great introduction.
I said sucky. What do you mean? I don't know how.
Can you sing Let It Go?
Stand right there. Stand right there. There. Okay, go.
The snow glows white on the mountain tonight. I climb The wind is howling like just a whirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Well, it's hard to be considered, don't fear. Don't let them know. Don't let them know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go.
Shoot it, buddy.
Do not let it slam the door.
He's like, Rainbow!
Here I stand.
That's where he does that.
Here I stand.
It's better without me here, I'm sorry. Here I stand in the light of day.
The cold never bothered me anyway.
Yes.
Okay.
The cold never bothered me anyway.
I've been watching.
Sorry, I distracted you trying to tell the
What? Cat. So here's what the means.
Oh,
With Boo. That was
Do you think that Boo turned into Pete?
yes.
And was he chasing Mickey and Minnie
Yes.
with the car?
Oh,
Oh, that's crazy. And then what happened?
They
do a $1 sign
to the other thing, and when they went to the other mountain.